Your fellow musicians. You feel like taxes are a concert you just can't seem to get a ticket to? Well, get ready to rock your taxes because I'm here to be your roadie on this tour of deductions. I'm singing Tax Girl and I'm going to show you how to make the IRS work for you. Let's be real, most musicians would rather be jamming than dealing with spreadsheets. But the truth is, understanding your taxes can be the key to unlocking more time and money to invest in your passion. So let's turn down the noise and tune into some tax tips that can really make a difference. Think of this as your backstage pass to tax savings. We'll cover everything from setting up your home studio to hitting the road for gigs. By the end, you'll be a pro at maximizing those deductions and keeping more of your hard-earned cash. Your home studio is your musical sanctuary, the place where your creativity just comes alive. The good news is the IRS will see that your creativity is that way too. If you have a dedicated space for making music, whether it's a whole room or just a corner, you may be eligible for the home office deduction. But there are a couple of rules. It needs to be exclusively for music. And if you're playing gigs or teaching, your home studio needs to be your main hub for the business side of things as well. Now, there are two ways to claim this deduction. The regular method means crunching some numbers and calculating the exact percentage of your home, or the simplified option is a bit easier, using a standard rate set by the IRS. We'll dive deeper into both of these later on. What if you rent a space for rehearsals or teaching? Great news is the rent is fully deductible. And don't forget about those essential utilities, the lights, the heat, and super fast internet connection you need to upload all the tracks. Those are deductible too. These days, your online presence is your stage. So the cost of the building, maintaining your website, and things like a domain registration, web hosting, and design are all tax deductible. And don't forget about those business licenses as well, because you need those to operate legally. Your instruments are your voice, your tools of the trade. You can actually depreciate their value over time, meaning you get to deduct a portion of their cost each year. And any repairs, tuning, new strings, drum heads, reeds, those are all deductible expenses too. Life on the road can be expensive, but luckily a lot of those costs are deductible. Mileage, flights, hotels, even 50% of your meals. Keep those receipts. The IRS offers a standard mileage rate, or you can track your actual expenses, whichever one works better for you. Never stop learning and growing as a musician. Lessons, workshops, industries, conferences, those are all investments in your career, and they are tax deductible. Getting your music out there is essential, and marketing costs can add up. But the IRS has your back. Advertising, creating merchandise, and even professional photos and videos, those are all deductible expenses. Also have to take care of yourself, which is crucial to both now and in the future. That is why the IRS allows you to deduct health insurance premiums and contributions made to your retirement plan. It's all about building a sustainable career in music. I know this can seem like a lot to keep track of, but with a little organization and the right tools, you can be a tax-savvy musician and keep detailed records. Use accounting software, categorize your expenses, and don't be afraid to reach out to myself, I am a tax professional, and I'm here to help you. You've got the talent, the passion, and now the tax knowledge to take your music career to the next level. Remember, every deduction you claim is an investment in your future. If you have any questions, connect with me here on LinkedIn, or you can contact Robert Half. Just DM me or even connect with me here, and I will give you the phone numbers or whoever you may need to reach out to schedule an appointment today.